The 75 plate Audi Q6 e-tron protected by Meta system. So this is a 2-tag system. You just carry one on your person. Obviously one's a spare. If someone done a relay attack on this key, went to steal the vehicle, they're going to start up, but they're going to be unable to drive it. We get a load of faults, but the vehicle's not actually able to be driven at all. It goes into neutral, but you won't be able to put it into gear. You won't be able to drive it. So with this, all you've got to do when you unlock the vehicle, so before you get in it, you'll unlock it, press the button on the tag, and then when you get in, these vehicles fire up straight away and you'll be able to drive off. No errors, nice and simple, easy to use. All you've got to do is simply press the button on the tag and you're good to go. So what you'll do, say you come into the vehicle fresh, you unlock it, press the button on the tag, hop in, start it up, and you're good to go. It goes into gear and drive away. Nice and simple, easy to use, no need to worry about a push sequence or a code, just a simple button press and you're off. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is an Audi Q6 e-tron, protected by us at Immobiliser Fit. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.